Vonda makes a very positive impact in the community. She's one of the first people to volunteer and commit to any cause she feels very strongly about. She doesn't do it for notoriety. She does it completely for the better of other people.
I was in third grade. I went to live with my mother and my stepfather, and they didn't have a lot of money, but they were so kind and generous and took such good care of me that they taught me that that is the right thing to do. One of the things I think about often is you don't have to be rich to give, and I really want to prove that. I always feel like I'm very blessed in my life. I've had people that have been very kind and generous to me, and the only way to thank them and to give back is to help someone else.
Very, very thoughtful. She's a great businesswoman. She's a fun person. One of the things that she's really brought to mind is the importance of philanthropy in the community.
We don't choose our circumstance, we're born into them. And there are people in this world that you can, empower to do more things with their life or help others. And if you touch their lives, they may be more inclined to help someone else. What the hospital does is they help facilitate being able to give. I'm probably passionate about the hospital because I sort of feel like I grew up there. My mom worked at the hospital, so we went to church on Sunday, went to Bible class, and then after that we would always have Sunday dinner. And when she worked, we would go to the hospital for Sunday dinner. I had my son at the hospital, and quite honestly, they saved my life. When I was in my early 20s, I had a cyst rupture. I would have been dead in an hour if Dr. Gupta wouldn't have gotten in there and quickly did the surgery and saved me. One of my goals my whole life was to start a charity. Cindy and I are doing it now, and that's a goal that I couldn't have achieved if not for being affiliated with them. I don't have enough to give to all the things that touch my heart along the way.
She is on the Board of Trustees for the past 6 years, on the Henry Ford Wyandotte Hospital Philanthropy Council for the last 7 years, and is the chair of that council.
Knowing Rosie and all of the things that she's done for the community, I can't think of a more deserving person to follow in her footsteps.
She is a great inspiration and positive role model. If you know her for a second, or if you've known her for a lifetime, you know that.